Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial video on this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make glow text effect on AE. It's really easy to make and you'll need one plugin, which is Deep Glow. Let's get started. First, go ahead and make new composition. Feel free to copy my settings. Go up to the top panel and click on the T tool. Then just click on your clip in the middle and you will have your new text layer. Go ahead and type your text. Now it's time to add the effect. Click on the preset and search for Deep Glow. Add it to your clip and now just copy my settings. Finally, we need to add the drop shadow effect to give it some depth. Search on the preset and just copy my settings. Now add the bevel alpha and search on the preset and just copy my settings. And here's your glow text effect. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below what other tutorials you want to see and I will make it, and see you in the next video.